Now we have to record. Please once again read Adira number 1.
Okay, sir. What is a bank? A bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits from the public and creates a demand deposit while simultaneously making loans.
Okay. Now, what are the services offered by the banks? Please read.
Checking accounts, saving accounts, money market accounts, certificates of deposit, mortgages, home equity loans, auto loans, personal loans, credit cards, debit cards, ATM cards, money orders, wire transfers,
Mm,
foreign currency exchange,
mm.
safe deposit boxes.
Actually, this has some certain things are not applicable in Indian situation. Checking accounts, there is no such account as checking account in Indian banks. So that is not required. The wire transfers, of course, we have in another form, NEFT and RTGS. Please read number 3. 1, 2, 3. Please read.
What are the assets in a bank? Cash, securities, loans, as well as real estate and other operating costs are assets that provide income for the bank.
Here, instead of putting operating assets, operating objects, they have put, so you omit this point. You simply say cash, securities, loans, as well as real estate and other assets like vehicles, machinery, etc. Okay. Please read question number 4.
What are the liabilities of a bank? Deposits with the bank are liabilities for the bank. Liabilities include loans, account payable, mortgage, deferred revenues, bonds, warranties, and accrued expenses.
Liabilities include loans bank has taken, account payable bank has to give, mortgage loans bank has taken, like that. Okay, very good. Please read question number 5. Objectives of central bank. Please read.
Objectives of the central bank: maintain internal value of currency, preserve the external value of rupee, ensure price, promote economic growth, promote financial institutions.
Good. Ensure price stability. Very good. Now, number 6 also is important. Everything is important. Please read. What are the functions of RBI? What are the functions of RBI? This is also important. Please read role of RBI. Adira, you are there? I
Sir,
think what
okay,
happened?
sir.
Your
Oh,
internet
yeah.
is not all right. Your internet is not all right.
Sir, I accidentally off the mic, turn
What
off the
happened?
mic. I
Switched
accidentally.
off the mic. Acha, acha. Please read
Yes, sir.
role of RBI.
Supervisor of financial system, banker to government, monetary policy, issuer of currency, foreign exchange management, um, bank is bank.
Yeah. Let me again repeat. Supervisor of financial system, bankers to government, monetary policy, issuer of currency, bankers bank, and foreign exchange management. Good. Please read. And now I will go for Mr. Pavitra. Sorry, Miss Pavitra. Pavitra, please read question number 7.
Okay, sir. How many fully owned subsidiaries are there in the Reserve Bank of India? There are 5 wholly owned subsidiaries or RBI. First one, deposit insure.
Pavitra, internet gone. What is this? Surendran, please read. Number 7. Surendran, is your mic all right? HB, your mic all right? HB, your mic all right? I think something wrong. Are you able to hear me or not?
Yes,
Excuse
sir, I
me.
can hear you. Yes, I
We,
can hear you, sir.
who is speaking? Adira.
Adira. Yes,
Adira.
sir.
I don't know why
Yes.
others are not able to listen or speak. Please read number 7 again. Sorry, Adira. You read. But keep the mic near your mouth and speak loudly. Your voice is not heard fully.
Okay, sir. How many fully owned subsidiaries are there in Reserve Bank of India? There are five wholly owned subsidiaries of RBI: Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, Bharatiya Reserve Notmudran Private Limited, Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, Reserve Bank Innovation Hub.
Very good. Please read question number 8. What is repo
What is
rate?
the repo rate?
Hmm. Please read.
It, re- it refers to the interest rate at which a country's central bank lends money to its commercial bank. Repurchase options or repurchase agreements are similar terms in banking.
Very good. Go to 9.
Reverse repo rate. The reverse repo rate is the rate at which a country's central bank, that is Reserve Bank of India, borrows money from domestic commercial banks. It is a tool for monetary policy that can be used to manage the nation's money supply.
Please read question number 10. I think everything is important. 1 to 10. Yeah. Please read.
CRR and SLR. CRR is a reserve that banks maintain with the RBI. It is a portion of bank deposits that are kept in cash. SLR is a reserve that commercial banks are required to keep on hand. It represents a portion of the net demand and time liabilities held as authorized securities by commercial banks.
Yeah. Next one. Question number 12. 11.
What are the documents required for opening a bank account in India? A filled up application form, identity and address proof such as valid passport, voter ID card, PAN card, permanent driving license, Aadhaar card, NRGA job card, or ID card issued by central or state governments, PSUs, and scheduled commercial banks. Employment proof, latest passport size photograph.
Good. Then continue. Number 12.
Who is eligible for saving, savings account? First one, resident individuals, sole or joint account. Then Hindu undivided families. Then foreign nationals residing in India. And last one, minors above the age of 10 years are eligible to open a self-operated minor account, and an ATM or debit card can be issued to the minor.
Good. 13.
What is a nomination facility? Nomination is the service that enables the account holder or any other financial instrument investor to name someone to claim the deposit or the investment after the original owner of the asset or account passes away.
Actually, you can even say simply nomination is when we open an account, we give the name of a person to whom the monies have to be paid in the event of the death of the depositor. Don't bring this financial instrument and all. They have given this for mentioning about insurance policies. There also nomination is there. Who is the nominee? 14. Please read.
The nominee in
Nominee.
the bank account names the person who has been nominated. The nominee in the bank account means the person who has been nominated by another to act as the custodian of the account in the event of death.
Good. Continue. I think everything is important. Read.
What
16.
what is the role of banking ombudsman? The government of India established the post of banking ombudsman as a designation and a place where customers who are unhappy with the service they receive can file complaints.
Continue. 16. No, but the thing is, others' internet is not all right. That is why I am asking you to read it. This HP, you see, she
Sir,
comes and goes, comes and goes, comes and goes. This Pavitra comes and goes because
sir,
Geo Geo internet is
everyone
not.
is messaging
Uh,
on
internet
the
is not.
chat
Internet
box.
is internet is not good because of cyclone. I think so. Correct. But I think the only fellow who is
I
not
don't know.
having cyclone is Surendra. Surendra, you are having cyclone in your place. Surendra.
Sir, he's messaging on the chat.
Sir, okay, sir. I am not able to hear, sir, audio properly.
You
No
are not
cyclone,
able.
sir. There is a cloudy, sir. Cloudy situation is raining. Is the outside the rain is there.
True, but then why are you not able to hear what Adira reads?
Yes, sir. There is a problem, sir. The audio is not clear, sir. I think there
Then
is
you
a
do,
fluctuation in the speed.
then you do one thing, you log out and relog.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
Same happened to me. Same happened, sir.
Same thing for HB. HB, you are having Geo, na?
Yes, sir.
Geo is totally bad today. Arey Baba. What to do? Only thing is I should record everything and post it online for you. See, you people, your reading is not getting recorded properly. And I can't be reading it fully because I will have pain while reading it. So that's why I'm asking Adira to read. See, this Pavitra Velur girl also going and coming, coming and going. HB Bangalore girl also going and coming, coming and going. What a funny situation. It has not been happening like this for the last 3-4 years. This year only, in the last 2 days, it is very bad. Some days we will not get anybody's line. But now we are.
Cyclone effect, sir.
I know. Yeah. HB, are you there now?
What, sir?
Are you there now?
Sorry, I am there.
Please read. Adira, I will request our HB to read for us. HB, come and read. Imagine you are the news reader of a local channel. You have to read with a lot of interest, involvement, commitment, dedication. Salabag Anni ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು read. Okay, read.
Okay, sir.
16.
What is KYC and what are the officially valid documents? KYC nothing but know your customer, which is used in the financial services and investment sectors to identify the clients.
హలో నథింగ్ బట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది అక్కడ లేదు మీరు ఎందుకు చెప్పారు నథింగ్ బట్
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ఏమైంది మీరు అలాగే మగప్ చేశారా ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఇక్కడ
లేదు,
ఏం
sir.
ఇక్కడ ఏం రాసారో అది చదవండి
Okay, sir.
వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ హియర్ యూ ప్లీజ్ రీడ్
Okay. Know your customer standards are used in the financial services and investment sectors to identify clients and validate the customer's identity and address the information. The officially valid documents of KYC is passport, driving license, permanent account number card, voter's identity card issued by the Election Commission of India, job card issued by NREGA, duly signed by an officer of the state government.
See, they can ask you abbreviation. What is OVD? OVD means officially valid documents.
Officially valid document.
KYC means know your customer. PAN means permanent account number. Here also
Permanent
they
account
can
number.
ask you questions. Permanent account number, how many digits are there? How many alphanumeric digits are there? 10 digits are there. It will have alphabetical number and also numbers.
Numbers.
Okay. Then what is the expansion of PAN is permanent account number. Similarly, they will ask one question. What is the, see in ATM, how many digits we are using? 4 digits. What is it called? PIN. What is the expansion of PIN? Tell me. What is the expansion of PIN?
In
HB,
next
Nick,
one.
huh?
Password identification numbers. I don't know exactly, sir.
Personal identification number.
Identification number.
Very
Personal
good.
identification number.
Very good. Now, HB, please read. What are the different types of banking? Please read.
Branch banking, unit banking, mixed banking, chain banking, retail banking, wholesale banking, relationship banking, correspondent banking, universal banking, social banking, virtual banking, Islamic banking, shadow banking, narrow banking.
See, actually, and all these things, what is important is branch banking. All of you know what is branch banking because you would have visited the branch. Then,
Okay.
then next one, retail banking is, say, like this, opening in a bank and giving service for individual customers or group of customers. Wholesale banking means opening accounts for big companies and doing corporate banking for them. Then relationship banking, I have not come across. Correspondent banking means our bank acting as correspondent for some other bank, or some other bank will be acting as correspondent for us and carry out transactions. Universal banking means a bank which does all functions like collection of deposits, making advances, collection of government taxes, then act, then also say making remittances, doing para banking services like bank assurance policy, mutual fund collections, and also wealth management advisory services, issuing of guarantees, issuing of letter of credit. అదన్నీ చేసానికి banks, they are known as universal banks. For example, Indian Bank is a universal bank. Federal Bank is a universal bank. ICICI, HDFC, these are all universal bank. But regional rural banks are not universal banks because they cannot do foreign exchange business and all. Now, like that, virtual banking means doing transactions online through cell phone or internet. Then narrow banking means payment banks. They collect deposits from public and they invest all the monies in government securities. They don't give loans. So that is known as narrow banking. Islamic banking means, say, they will not pay any interest on deposits or any interest on loans because they will operate without any interest. That is making payment of interest. That is not there in our country. Shadow banking means like NBFCs, they are called as shadow bankers. Now, we will move on to next question. HB, who was reading it? HB, your internet is okay.
Okay, sir.
Please read 18.
What is ATM and its types? ATM is a facility. It is the facility of accessing the account for dispensing cash and carrying out financial and non-financial transactions without the need to actually visit their bank branches. There are types: on-site or off-site ATM, white label ATM, brown label ATM, green label ATM, orange label ATM, yellow label ATM, pink label ATM, biometric ATM.
See, of these in the interviews, AMO, they are asking what is white label ATM, what is brown label ATM. ఇదన్నీ అడుగుతున్నారు ఎవరికైనా తెలుసా What is white label ATM? Yes.
Sir, NBFC is
White label
operating
ATM.
the white label ATM, sir.
Okay.
White
Brown
label.
label ATM.
They are operated by the third parties, but cash provided by the banks, sir.
White label ATM. A white label ATM operates without displaying the branding of a specific bank. Specific bank name money, they won't give the name of any bank. And that is known
Yes, sir.
as recently.
Fifth company got the license of white label ATM, sir. Electronic
one?
Payment Service Limited in Electronic
Oh,
Payment Service Limited, Mumbai company, sir.
very good,
In the
very
name of
good.
NPS Banses.
Acha, very good. What about brown
Last
label
month,
ATM? What about brown label ATM?
they are operated by third parties. The cash provided by the banks, sir. Like
And
machinery,
pink,
other products
yeah,
are
yeah, pink label ATM is for women. Biometric
women, sir.
ATM is using the thumb impression and operating. Other ATMs are not very popular. They will not ask. Now we move on to Surendra. We will go to Surendra. Surendra, please read number 19.
Yes, sir, definitely. What is priority sector lending and what does it include? Priority sector lending, it is a role exercised by the RBI to banks, imposing them to decide funds from the specific sector of the economy like agriculture and allied activities, education, housing, and food for the poorer population.
They have given this definition. It is okay. No problem. Next, 20. Please read.
But
Surendran, while reading, you instead of telling dedicate, you told some other word. Please read carefully. 20.
okay, sir. What are the types of negotiable instruments? Promissory note, bill of exchange, checks.
Okay. Continue.
What are the types of check? Order check. A check payable to the particular person on his order, on or his order. Bear check. A check payable to the person whosoever bears. Blank check. Except signature, all other documents are blank. Stale check, which is more than 3 months old. Sir, what happened, sir?
No, I was just laughing. Blank check.
Okay, sir. Mutilated check. The check is turned into 2 or more pieces. Post-dated check. A check which bears the date later than the date of issue. Open check. Check which is not been crossed. Crossed check. A check which has crossed 2 parallel lines themselves across the face.
See, one minute. I will just explain about all this. Order
Okay,
check
sir.
means pay A or order. That means you can pay to A, and if he transfers it to somebody else, you can pay to him. But other one is bearer check. Pay A or bearer means anybody the money can be paid. Blank check, not blank check, you have already seen. Next, stale check means today's date is what? 2nd December. Supposing you come across a check dated 1st September 2024, that has become a stale check because it is more than any date 1st September 2024 or prior to that is known as stale check. If a check is dated 3/12 or 1/1/2025 and all, that is known as post dated check. Mutilated check is torn check. Open check means, so whenever a check is issued, when two parallel transfers lines are crossed on the check, the paying bank will not make payment over the counter. They will not pay cash. They will make payment only to another bank. So that is crossed check. So open check means that which is not crossed. Okay, very good. Surendran.
There is a
Yeah.
endorsement check is there when there is an endorsement. I think there is some other technical term is that.
The endorsement means, supposing I give a check favoring Surendran, what is
Yes,
he
sir.
going to do? He will write on the back Surendran, your name, and you will write, please pay, say, Surendra, your Surendran, please pay to Malik, somebody else. So that is known as endorsement. In that
Okay, sir. Thank
endorsement,
you.
you are simply signing Surendran and not writing anything on top is known as blank endorsement. When you write
Okay.
the name of one person, it is known as full endorsement. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is a very good question. Please read. Question number 22.
What is difference between check and a demand draft? A drawer is an individual account holder. A drawer is a normalized scheduled bank. Not certain a payment. Payment is certain. The difference. Check and draft. The drawer can stop it in issuing order. No one can stop demand draft. Defined under the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. No definition in the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881.
Yeah.
Demand draft.
Actually, what is a check? Check all of you may be knowing, but nowadays we are not using it much. See, when you open an account, bank will give a checkbook. So whenever you want to draw my cash or you want to make payment to another person, you can issue a check favoring him. Whereas demand draft means you will go to a bank, pay the money along with commission. Nowadays, it is not very popular. It is not very popular because we have got Gpay, phone pay, so many things have come. So you will pay commission and then take a demand draft from him and send the demand draft to another person to whom you want to make payment. A demand draft is always drawn on another branch of the bank. So
Okay.
it will never be dishonored because bank has received money and it has to pay. Very good. Now, question, everything is important. I think initially I told you note the number. I think everything is
Yes, sir.
important. We will read it. Please read 23.
What is CTS? Instead of having the presence of banking process, the physical check is travels to the branch of a paying bank. The check transaction system is a method of clearing check electronically. It is a step undertaken by the Reserve Bank of India for quicker check clearance.
Actually, CTS means check truncation system. This has been
Yes, sir.
introduced from 2010. See, what is happening is prior to 2010, if a check is drawn on Indian Bank, the check will be sent by State Bank of India to Indian Bank. Nowadays, no check is coming. State Bank of India will take electronic image of the check, that is front portion and reverse portion, and send only electronic image to Indian Bank through clearing house. That is, each bank will send its electronic images to the service branch. The service branch will take it to Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India will route in their server and the checks will be sorted out to respective banks. Then at the end of the day, you will know Mr. A bank whether it has to pay money to others or whether it has to receive money from others. For that, they have to maintain balance in a Reserve Bank of India. So this is check truncation system. This system has speeded up the collection process. For example, previously, if we put a check on Delhi in Chennai, it will take 10 days for us to collect it because our State Bank of India has to prepare a schedule and there will be staff, there won't be staff, they will keep it pending, they will prepare it, send it through courier. That courier will reach the service branch of State Bank of India in Delhi and the State Bank of India, Delhi, will take that check to Reserve Bank of India and then present it to Indian Bank. It will go to Indian Bank and Indian Bank will pass it. All this, and later on, the State Bank of India will send advice to State Bank of India. New Delhi will send it to Chennai. State Bank of India, Chennai will later on credit the money to the bank account of his customer. All this was taking lot of time. Now it takes only 3 days time. Quick, quick, quick.
No, sir.
Huh?
There is one update, sir, regarding CTS, sir.
Mm.
The last meeting of RBI Council, they taken the CTS system to take within hours, sir, to clear the sick in within hours.
Acha,
The process in the technology, yes, sir.
oh, must be within 1 or 2 days. If it is within the, I don't know.
Within
If it
hours.
is within hours, I don't know
Very fast. Yes, sir.
whether it is implemented అని మాకు తెలీదు చూడాలి. Very good.
Yes, sir. There is
చదువుకోండి.
one update, sir.
Yeah. Next question చదువుకోండి.
What is NPA and what is the reason for NPA?
Very important question. All of you remember. Yeah.
A non-performing asset is a loan or advance for which principal or interest payment remain overdue for a period of 90 days. Reasons contributing to the NPA: inadequate loan management practices, inaccurate credit assessment, business failures, poor receivable recovery, a slow-moving legal system, and industrial recession.
Unfavorable
currency rates.
This is in respect of foreign trade.
Yes, sir.
See, generally they will ask you what is NPA. You can say NPA means in respect of loan accounts where installment due or interest due has not been paid for 90 days from the due date. It is considered as NPA. Why this NPA is happening? Because the processing of loan proposal is not done properly, selecting of wrong borrowers, then business failures, and also our party is not receiving money from his customers, then there can be willful default. Some people are really interested in cheating the bank. That is also a possibility. Very good. Please read. This question is not very important. Nowadays, nobody is talking about prompt correct. That's not required. Go to 26.
Yes, sir. What are neobanks, and give the examples of neobanks operating in India? And compared to the challenges on traditional banking, Indian neobanks, which only operate online and have no physical branches, provide a wide range of in-demand services. Examples of neobanks in India is like Firo, FinMoney, Jupiter.
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going to search google.com India.
Sir, please share this.
And I'm sharing it. India. What is that? Neo banks. A lot of neo banks are there.
Jupiter.
Here, I'm not able to share it because it is in another browser.
Sir, this one not, sir. The early PDF, sir. Regarding guideline PDF, sir.
I will show you. Top neo banks: Razorpay, Neo, FamPay, Frio, Finin, Akudo, Babri. 11 more are there. IDFC First Bank, IndusInd Bank, Paytm, Open Bank Neo. So many are there, but don't confuse. Get to know 2-3 names only. That will do. Please. Don't. I also don't know many things. Now, where are we now? Bank.
Neo Bank.
Yeah. Now we are in Neo. Good. I'm happy. Good. Yeah. Are you seeing now? You will see now. Yeah. Now, Mr. Surendran, please read 27. Now, 1 point, boys and girls. We are running very much short of time, no time. So what I would request you is now we are doing some reading. Afterwards, you continue reading if time permits, or otherwise, at random, you go through. Say, first
Okay, sir.
question, fifth question, 10th question, 15 question, 20 question, 22 question, 28 question. Like that, you go through and finish off this book. This book is really useful. Please read.
Please share it, sir. In group, sir.
ఇది
This one.
షేర్ చేశాను కదా.
This link, sir, డైరెక్ట్ షేర్ చేయండి, సార్.
Huh?
దిస్ లింక్ డైరెక్టర్ గా షేర్ చేయండి అంటున్నది. పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది డైరెక్టర్ గా.
ఇదే మీకు
Search
ఇచ్చేసా.
చేయడం.
ఏమండి మీరు ఏమి చూడలేదు. మీకు ఏమేమి మెటీరియల్ ఇచ్చామో అది అన్ని మీరు చూడలేదు. వాట్ ఎవర్ మెటీరియల్స్ ఐ హావ్ గివెన్, యూ హ్యావ్ నాట్
Okay,
సీన్
sir.
ఇట్. అదే మిస్టేక్. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ
సార్
ఉంద
సార్
దిస్ ఇస్
పీడిఎఫ్ ఉండాలి సార్. పీడిఎఫ్ లేదు సార్. ఓన్లీ దట్ లింక్ ఆర్ దేర్. వి కాంట్ ఏబుల్ టు రీకాల్.
ఆ లింక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూ హ్యావ్ టు Acha, you are not having proper laptop and all that. Acha, because of this internet, you cannot see it. Internet problem ఉంటుంది కదా ఇప్పుడు. Nowadays,
అందుకే సార్ పీడిఎఫ్ కావాలి
I,
సార్.
I will share it. I will share it now. Wait.
సో దట్ మీడియా
No,
ఫైల్.
no. PDF ఎలాగ ఇస్తానమ్మా మీకు? ఎలాగ no, I can give only through link. మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. డౌన్లోడ్ చేసానికి మీకు ఇంటర్నెట్ లేదు కదా అక్కడ. అదే ప్రాబ్లం.
ఇస్ దేర్ సార్?
It is
I will
there.
try, sir, once again. Wait.
Now 1 minute.
I will-
I will give in Indian Bank group this document.
Share it, sir.
I am sharing it. Just a minute. Wait. This point is not struck me. I know. 1 minute. Very good. Please wait. Let me try to help you. Because I am searching where it is available. ఇంటర్వ్యూ గైడ్లీ కానీ ఇక్కడ రాదు. It is not coming. So what I have to give you is this one only. అంటే ఇది 1 minute. I will download this first and then give you as an attachment. Yeah. ఇప్పుడు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసాము. ఇప్పుడు మన ఇండియన్ బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ లో ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అన్ అటాచ్మెంట్. వచ్చిందా చూడండి.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir. PDF వచ్చింది, sir.
యా. మీరు అది ఓపెన్ చేసానికి ఏమీ చేయవద్దు. మీరు ఖాళీ ఓపెన్ వేస్తే అది ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది.
ఎస్ సార్.
We got direct PDF, sir.
PDF వచ్చింది కదా.
వచ్చింది, sir.
సార్
సారీ. ఇంకా అదర్ థింగ్స్ ఆల్సో యూ నీడ్ లైక్ దిస్ అంటే ఒక నిమిషాలు.
ఎస్ సార్.
బాబా.
After that time you take the time, sir. After the session you do it.
Yeah. Very good girl. Who is speaking? HB or Pavitra? Who is speaking? Come on, tell me.
HB, sir.
HB, I really appreciate you. Good. God bless you. Such a bright girl.
Thank you.
God bless you. Now, where are we now? ఎక్కడ ఉంటాము ఇప్పుడు? ఒక నిమిషాలు ఉండండి. స్టాప్ షేర్. ఇంకొకసారి షేర్ చేస్తాము. ఇంకొకసారి షేర్ చేస్తాము. అది ఏమంటే బ్యాంక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఇండియన్ బ్యాంక్ వీడియో లింక్స్, ఇంటర్వ్యూ గైడ్లీ. ఇది ఇక్కడ లేదు. 1 minute. Just a minute for 5 minutes. Interview. So my computer is also doing some trouble. It's not opening. Indian OneDrive. It's very bad. OneDrive.com. OneDriveLive.com. Then I should go here. Baba, how much difficult it is. Desktop. Then Indian Bank. Then Guidely. Then banking interview. Now it is opening. It has
Sir,
come.
record stop చేయండి.
Record is start చేయలేదా? ఒక్క నిమిషం
Stop.
చూస్తాను. స్టాప్
Sir,
అయిపోయిందా?
stop.
No. Oh,
Means
no. ఇప్పుడు it is going. It is recording. No problem. Yeah, it is recorded. No, I have not stopped recording. Good. Very good. Very good. We have done only 26 questions. What are neobanks? We stopped there. Now here we have to read this. HB, can you read now? Your internet will go again and again off. Very bad internet. Today it's very bad na, for you. Acha, are you sitting outside your house or inside your house? HB?
outside, sir.
Outside only. Power connection is going off quite often. Sorry. అంటే ఇంకా ఎవరు ఉన్నారు? సురేంద్రన్ ఉన్నారు. Then who else is there online now? Surendran, HB, only 2 people. Surendran, can you continue reading now? Please read.
Sir, there is a problem room, sir. That's why I'm not able to read, sir.
No
That's
problem.
why I'm a message, sir.
Acha,
Sorry,
you
sir.
are not able to. You are not able to read. Kindly listen, candidates. Candidate, please listen. I am reading out. What are the types of risks in banking? Financial risk, market risk, credit risk, interest rate risk, liquidity risk, operational risk, capital risk, foreign exchange risk, systemic risk, reputation risk. ఇదన్నీ what అని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసానికి దే వోంట్ ఆస్క్ యూ. బట్ లిక్విడిటీ రిస్క్ అంటే డబ్బు ఎప్పుడు పేమెంట్ చేయాలో అప్పుడు పేమెంట్ లేదంటే దట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రాబ్లం. Whenever you want to make payment, if you are not having money, that is a problem. Financial risk means we are giving loans to people, they are not repaying. That is financial risk. That is also credit risk. So next question, what is financial inclusion? We have discussed this very well. What is mudra loan? This also we have discussed 3 types of loans. What are money market instruments and their examples? Using a money market instrument, banks, companies, government can meet significant short-term capital needs. That is bankers' acceptance, treasury bills, repurchase agreement, certificate of deposit. This is for raising money by a company. What is CASA ratio? This has been explained many times. That is current account, savings account divided by total deposit into current account plus savings account is known as divided by total deposit is known as CASA ratio. Into 100 means percentage. So next one, what is an inactive or dormant account? An account which has not been operated for more than 12 months. It is classified as inactive. Dormant means more than 24 accounts, not operated for 24 months. Next question, demat account. Demat stands for dematerialized accounts. These accounts are used for transacting shares in electronic format. That is buying and selling. Simply know this. Demat account is an account to be is used by people who are buying and selling shares. Then FDI means foreign direct investment. Now, in banking and insurance, FDI allowed is 74%. Government of India is thinking of raising it to 100% for insurance sector. What is FPI? Foreign portfolio investment. FDI means they will invest in a company and stay for long. But FII and FPI people, they will come and deposit money when they want. Subsequently, tomorrow they don't want, they will withdraw. Next one, what is collateral? An asset or piece of property offered by a borrower to bank or lender as collateral, as security, is known as collateral. What is reverse mortgage loan? This is not required for you. What is overdraft? An overdraft happens when bank is authorizing transaction, even though you are not having money. There is no money in your account, HB account. HB goes to the bank and asks for overdraft. If she has got a Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana account, they will allow her to take up to 10,000 rupees, which has to be repaid by her. Next is, what are plastic cards, debit card and credit cards? What is national financial switch? National financial switch is a what is it? It is a internet. It is a network operated by National Payment Corporation of India. And remember, it is very, very, very important. Through this only, in India, not only India, right now from Canada, I can reach the bank in India through ATMs. They are all connected through national financial switch in India. Outside, we don't know how it is connected. Inside India, all these are connected through national financial switch. And this national financial switch may be connected to international switch. So that is what is happening. What are the differences between a credit card, debit card? A debit card is issued to account holders. You can use it for buying commodities from the shops. You can use it for withdrawing cash from the ATM. A credit card is a card where a bank gives you a limit, and within that limit, you can use it for buying of commodities and services. You can also use a credit card for withdrawing cash. But only problem in this credit card is every month you will get a statement and you have to repay the money before the due date. If you do not repay before the due date, you will be charged 3% interest per month, 36%. Supposing you have drawn 10,000 rupees, they will charge 3% for this month. Then next month, 10,000 plus interest, that 3% interest that is credited. Until every year you will be paying 36%. Ekku interest undai, that will be putting us into problems. That is what many of the IT boys and girls are doing in India and other places also. They are having 25,000 salary, but they will draw 50,000 from the credit card, not being able to pay and then put into problems. Next is, what is MICR code? Magnetic ink character recognition. This will be available in the check. This is useful for check to be sent to the concerned branch. And then 40, last question. What is the difference between insolvency, bankruptcy? A person who is unable to make payment is known as insolvent. When a person declares they are unable to repay the creditors, bankruptcy procedure takes place. Oh, that is a person who is unable to make payment is declared as insolvent. But when he declares he is not able to say, then bankruptcy proceedings take place. But normally, bankruptcy proceedings are done in the case of companies or firms. In the case of individuals, it is insolvency. They will move the court and declare the particular person as insolvent. Yeah, very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. I'll stop
Thank you, sir.
this. I'll stop with this. Yeah. I will have to go for Karnataka Bank and see how it goes. I will switch off now and start it again because it has to be saved. Viswanathan, I am switching off and I will come again in the same line. Please re-log in. Okay,
Sir,
Viswanathan?
what is session, sir, that Karnataka Bank clerk or PO?
Karnataka Bank, both clerk and PO, both same. I will be doing how to write in the examination, what are the things you have to
Okay, sir.
concentrate while
Carry on, sir.
preparing. That is what.
Okay, sir.
Acha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Really.
Bye.
Bye, sir.